Good morning, it's Lynette here and it's day number 10. I need to remind myself that when I look in the boxes, because sometimes I get confused. Anyway, if you've ever seen me opening a whole advent calendar at once, I do forget which days that I've opened, sadly. Anyway, so day number 10 is this little box down here from the Boots number 7 Beauty Advent Calendar, and it's another product I love. Oh, it's a lip care. It's number 7. I really love the Protect and Perfect brand, but this is lip care, so ideal for December, January time. So as I think I've said before, I'm popping everything back in the advent calendar so I can use it all on Christmas, so it feels like another little treat. So yep, I'm really happy to see that. I've never tried that lip product before, but yeah, I do. In the winter I use a lip scrub, usually from Lush. And I'll use a lip balm sometimes, or if I've got like a lip treatment. So at the moment I'm using the Elizabeth Ardeni Hour Cream because that's fantastic for my lips. I tend to put that a little bit on in the morning and I'll put it on at night as well. So before I put my makeup on, I'll put it on as part of my moisturising routine. So I'll do the same with that Lip Protect. I'll keep it in the bathroom upstairs and I'll use it twice a day. So I won't take it out and about and use it like a lip balm. Try and avoid using too much lip balm anyway. So, day number 10. It's a big box today. Size of that box. And the size of the package inside is pretty impressive as well. So I do love Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic was one of my favourite boxes when I got them. I just stopped getting them really because I was building up so much and I was buying it and I was giving it away or shoving it in drawers. And I just, before I was packing up to move, I was beginning to feel really overwhelmed with stuff. And I like to have collections of things, but I don't like to feel overwhelmed by stuff. So what I'd been doing in the old house was just shoving the boxes in the cupboard as well. So I had a massive declutter. I cancelled my boxes. But Look Fantastic was one of my favourite boxes because it was predominantly skincare with the odd bit of makeup and bits thrown in, and I really did love the skincare element of it. So here we go, and oh wow, it is I kid you not, it's one of my favourites. It's Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura, and it is a body scrub. I've never tried the body scrub. Celebrate each day body scrub with organic rice and cherry blossom. Now cherry blossom is one of my absolute favourite scents from Rituals. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to open this. It's got a protective seal. Now should I open it and smell it? I'm going to have to open it and smell it. You know what I'm like. Oh, it smells amazing. So here it is here. It kind of looks like slush. So it's quite nice actually. Quite nice. It's not. It's gritty, but it's not uncomfortable. It smells amazing. I don't know whether that's a salt or a sugar scrub, to be honest with you. If I could read the directions at the back. Yeah. I'm not going to eat it. In case you thought I was going to pop it in my mouth just to test it. It's got a gorgeous scent, and I'm really looking forward to using that on it'd probably be Boxing Day or the day after Boxing Day. So yep, absolutely chuffed to bits at day number 10. It's not disappointing, either of these advent calendars. The only real disappointment was the voucher for the blush, because 9 out of 10 times I wouldn't normally redeem it, but I am going to go into Boots because I still have some presents to buy, so I will take it with me and I will redeem it. So anyway guys, day number 10, can you believe it? I can't, I'm just like, what? And my boys just really want money for Christmas, so I don't know why I'm panicking. I think I've got what I need to do is I need to work out what I've got, what I've still to get. I think I've ordered everything I need to order. I've got a few things I need to post. I need to get things like that organised, and then I can chill and enjoy Christmas. Anyway guys, I hope you're organised, a bit more organised than me, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.